Friends, welcome back to the Sawmill. It's Friday. This is my 5th cup of coffee since I come up here to the mill to get things ready, and I am fired up, guys. I've been stuck in the house all week long doing homeschooling because the schools are shut down and my wife had to work, so I've been dying to get up here, guys. I'm just dying to get up here to finish up this cherry. I was actually able, though, yesterday to get out of the house for about 2 hours. Me and Bruno went and grabbed another cherry. It's about a 14-footer and the diameter is about 32 inches. A really nice cherry, guys. It came from the same stand this cherry came from right here. I'm really looking forward to get that one on the mill soon. This cherry is one we started in the last video. Like I said, I've not been up here in over a week, so it's been sitting up here waiting on me. Very patiently, it's been waiting on me. And these right here, friends, are curly. If you noticed in that last video, if you had a good eye for timber, you saw that curl toward the sapwood on the very ends of the slabs. And that, some people call it curly, some people call it quilting. It looks like there's little waves in the grain, and it makes for exceptional wood, just really nice. And there's a lot of curl in this timber up here in the mill right now, and a lot of curl in these slabs back here behind me. I will have a hard time selling these, not that people don't want them. I've never had slabs that are 26 inches wide of cherry that have curl in them. That's really nice. So we're going to finish these off. We're doing 9/4 slabs. There'll be about 7 slabs in this right here and we'll be done. And that will probably finish up this video because we'll take a look at all these slabs as I saw them off today. On the Sawmill, I'm running a 4-degree 055 double hard Wood-Mizer blade. A real fast, not a sponsored video, nothing like that. I buy my blades like everybody else. But you guys out there sawmilling, if you're cutting a lot of slabs like this, do yourself a favor and get a 055 thickness blade, preferably a 4-degree. And my goodness, they're flat. They cut so flat, and the harder you push them, the better they saw. Man, they do really good. I really can't say enough good things about the 055 4-degree blade. The only downside to that blade is the resharps. You may get 3 resharps total before that blade breaks on you. An 045 blade, you'll get 5 to 7, sometimes more if you get lucky. Really like these blades. A little bit more expensive, but well worth the money on these slabs. We'll go ahead and finish up this timber. We're going to do 9/4 slabs on it. That will probably take care of this video. We'll take a look at all the slabs as they come off. I won't be throwing water today. It's too cold up here. It'll freeze tonight, and I don't want a bunch of ice up here on the floor. So we will take a look at these. And I don't know, if I find some really good curl, we might throw water on it anyways. Probably will if we got some good curl. I'll take back what I said. I love seeing that water go on there. A few people new to the channel, that does not hurt the timber or nothing like that. That water kind of resides on the outside of the board. This timber is already green. It's saturated with water. So it evaporates and it's gone pretty fast anyway. It doesn't hurt the timber at all. If it hurt it, I wouldn't be doing it. So we'll finish this one off, and tomorrow, guys, we'll have a good one. We'll be sharpening blades tomorrow. We're gonna saw some poplar and finish up an order. May even deliver that order if the weather's okay, if the roads clear up a little. We got 4 inches of snow last night. Pretty nasty up here today. And behind those 2 poplar is another one of those logs that are hard to find for us here in Northeast Tennessee, another nice butternut. So some good sawing tomorrow, friends, some real good sawing. Finish up this cherry, so we move on to bigger and better things, although it's gonna be hard to beat this cherry, guys. 26 inches on the width right there. 26 inches. That's a premium slab right there. That's good stuff. Can't beat it. Stick here with me, guys. One more thing here, friends, we'll get going. I meant to cover this in the last video and I forgot. Farm Focused handles all our t-shirts now. We got rid of Teespring, all that other stuff. The quality was not good. So Farm Focus is handling everything now. The shipping's kind of slow, but shipping right now for everybody is extremely slow. I ordered some stuff on Amazon back on December the 5th. I just got it yesterday. You know, it's just crazy with shipping right now. So I said all that to say this. My best selling t-shirt ever was the beard t-shirt. It had the OTW logo over the chest and the beard logo on the back. And my buddy Ben over at Farm Focus was finally able to get that on a t-shirt for us. It's over on their website right now. They're $25 a piece. There's a link down below if you want to go check them out. I got mine today. It's just like the ones we used to sell here. A little bit darker gray color. I think he's got some different color options on there. But pretty much has the same logos that we've always used here on the channel. And also for you international people, he does do international shipping. It's expensive Can't control that, you know, everything's expensive nowadays. But if you are international, you can have the t-shirt shipped to you. Just gonna cost you a little bit more money than you probably like, unfortunately. Thanks to everybody who orders shirts through the channel. I want you guys to know that we do make a few dollars off those shirts, but every dime of it goes back into the channel. We use that money to buy the cameras, the memory cards, the tripods. Everything you see here is from that money. We don't use that for leisure activities or nothing like that. As we go through a lot of cameras here, when you're filming a sawmill running with a camera, the dust gets in it, and after about a year or so, that camera's in the trash can. It doesn't last very long. So thanks for supporting me here by buying the shirts, and thanks to everybody on Patreon as well for supporting me here on the channel. It means a lot. Thank you guys. Hi friends, here's the first slab of the day, and my goodness, this stuff is heavy right here. This is several hundred pounds. I've been cutting a lot of dimensional stuff lately. I've not done slabs in a while, and I forgot how heavy they are. Really nice cherry or width is going to vary because it's live edge. 25 inches right there, 24, and out here toward you guys, 27. That's a really nice slab right there, guys. And something else here to point out, this right here has the pith in it. I got the pith centered right here in the middle of this slab, and something you can see to recognize that, right here on this side, you got this nice straight grain wood right here. It's just like quarter sawn, there's no difference at all. The grain's running perfectly parallel with the bark, about 90 degrees. And then right there in the middle, you got your cathedral patterns and a lot of your juvenile wood, which juvenile wood is about 5 to 15 years of the first growth of the timber. That's considered juvenile wood. You can see that coming up in here. There's a lot of knots in here, a lot of defects going on. The cathedral patterns are coming up. And that's a really good tell sign of the pith cut, especially when you see really nice straight grain on the sides. Then the middle, you got a lot of stuff going on. As you can see right here, when you get away from the pith, that quilting or that curl starts coming up again, and that makes this cherry a lot more valuable since it has that feature in the grain. And I said I wasn't going to do this because of the cold temperatures, but I got to do it, guys. We're going to throw some water on this one and see how it looks, because the curl coming up right through here is phenomenal, friends. It's really nice. Let's see how it looks. Here we go, guys. Christmas in January. Can't beat it. My goodness. Better than expected. Man, that's nice.